Hey guys, it's me Maddie, and today I'm going to be opening this cute bunny slimes. I'm trying to open it. It's really hard to do with one hand, so I'll see you guys whenever it's open. So guys, I opened it. The wrapping is off. Now I'm just going to try to open this, so I'll see you guys whenever the bunny's open. So guys, I have opened it. Now I'm just going to take it out and oh my gosh guys, it's slime. And here's the bunny thing. Without any slime in it. Well, it's closed. It's just not closed all the way though. How cute. Slime. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. It's like, oh my gosh, guys, I can cut it. Crazy. I'm gonna set you guys on somewhere. I really want to. Pull this thing apart. Look at this, it's super stretchy. It's stretchy. Okay, so I stretched it. Now I'll stretch it some more. It's crazy. I'm trying to stretch it. Look at that. Beautiful slime. Look at that. Hey, good?
Yeah, we can't stop working on it until I get my other one back from Justin.
Okay. Okay, guys, so look at the slime. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It's really cute pink, and I just love it. The camera isn't picking up, but it's really hot pink. Like, it's hot pink. Here, let's see if I'll mix it like that. Like, it's hot pink, guys. Like, it's really cool. Super slimy. And here, I'll see you guys in a second. So, guys, look, I stretched it. Look how big it is now. Like, all that. Awesome guys, like, so cool when it stretches, and it's awesome. I really recommend this, guys. Like, it is awesome. So guys, I stretched it even more. It's really cold right now because gosh guys, look at that, beautiful. So much slime, guys. Like, all of that, all of that. Inside that. That's what's in it. Awesome. So you guys can see. has it. It's really cute, guys. Look. Bye, guys. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. And comment down below if you're excited for Easter.